Boys, we are back. We are live. Battle Shade London session. I'm sick today, boys, but it's all good. We are still gonna smash. We're still gonna smash this session. So I'm just logging into my broker. Alright, let me move this over here and then let me get my screen up. Alright, let me show you guys the levels for today, right? Because US30 is looking collapsed and NASDAQ is looking all good. NASDAQ's looking fine. But US30 is honestly like dog shit, to be honest. Hold up, let me just. There we go. Alright, bet. So, let me quickly go. Oh, the microphone's all the way over there. Alright, let me go over US30 really quick, boys. So, the levels that we got over here of this fucking. Whatever the fuck you want to call this, we got a whole bunch of like squiggles on the fucking thing. We might actually do like this instead. Just because. Where's that? Top line. Yeah. So this one's good. This one's good. This top one I'm going to put it down because it has this and this rejections here. Oh, might as well put it up because we're going to need a push past here anyways. Oh, I mean not really. We'll keep it there for now and see what happens. But I'm going to primarily look at NASDAQ anyway. Okay, so let me go over the NASDAQ. So NASDAQ's actually looking pretty clean, boys, right? So we've got this top level that is actually breaking through right now, but it's off these lows, this low, this low, this low, and these highs. And we also, that could be actually like this, or we could create a box. And then we have this level here of this highs, these highs, these highs, and then we have a bottom level of this sort of thing. And then for the top level, we're going to do this. So we're going to have a pretty big level, decently big level, but there's nothing wrong with having a pretty big level, so we'll do something like that as our top level. Because there's nothing really, I mean, we kind of have something along the lines of this, these highs, this low, these highs here. I mean, actually, that's not too bad. Got a little fair value gap here. Yeah. That's an okay level. That's all good. Because this is just a little bit too big, this box, I think. I mean, it wouldn't have to be really there. Because that's pretty useless. It could be something like, yeah, that would be better. For the top box. Something like that. Market opens in 6 minutes, so that's good. Six minutes, boys. But yeah, I'm happy with NASDAQ, but US30 is just clapped. It is just clapped. I am actually going to put it up here. I'll still take a trade off of US30. It's just, I mean, this level is not that bad. But it's like, you know, it could be better. Could be much better. That's what we're going to have to live with. Let's chop this though. Yeah. Alright. 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes, boys. I hope it keeps this level and closes below it. Because I like the look of it. I'm going to get my broker ready. I mean, not my broker, my prop firm. Oh, whoops. Trading Dom. MQ. Alright, that's that. And then I can do. Oh shit. Volume. That's looking good. Okay. So I've just got my buying and selling thing here as well. Okay. Got a bit. 4 more minutes till market opens. 4 more minutes, boys. I'll be back. I'll be back real quick. I'll be back in just a second, boys. Hold up. Hold up. I'm back, boys. I am back. Bit. Alright, market is opening right now. Let's see. Let's see, boys. So we close above this little level that we got. This little chop level. We do have this little fair value gap, so let's see a big retrace from it. Nice. Good little retrace. That's what we like to see. Potential setup into something like this. So we opened close to the level. I want to see a bit bigger of a retrace. I mean, it came down here and came all the way back up, but I want to see a bigger retrace than that. US 30 is coming down though. It's coming down nice. Okay, so it's pushed all the way down, came all the way back up, pushed all the way down, came all the way back up. This is getting a very nice retrace over here on US30. We do have these fair value gaps, so we wanted to get at least whipped into this one, have a retracement. Oh. But again, I'm not really looking for trades on US30 as much. I mean, I will take it if it's there, but I would much rather NASDAQ. Another thing is, boys, patience is a massive key to trading. Massive key. If you don't have patience, boys, you will enter far too early. Fuck. Let's see what this wants to do. Because we could go to like, I don't know. If we get a nice push, it's just, I mean, this level's alright. It's a bit chopped. I don't really like the setup so much. I want to see it push away from the level. I know it's like pushed through and had a retrace like 3 times, but I want to see it kind of push away. No momentum, unfortunately. See what John's up to. Nice push from US30. So now it's came into this free value gap, and it also has another one here. Let's see if we can get a solid retrace. Let's see if we can get another solid retrace from NASDAQ as well. I just wanted to push up a bit. If it can push up into this free value gap and then come back down, that's what I like to see. You know what I mean? Okay, sweep that. We're so close to this, we might as well fucking sweep it, right? Who knows, maybe we won't. US30, I don't know. That's a good retrace. That could be a potential setup. Came all the way down here, filled this, pushing up. It's pushing up. We have this little fair value gap here though. So we needed to wick in, give us a retrace. Let's set this up more like this. I want to see it come inside this fair value gap, boys, and have a fucking retracement. Now if it pushes past, like, back down here, we are definitely in for shorts. If it comes past here, we are in like this. Take profit at the middle of this fair value gap. If we get a nice push there, something like that. Yo, could be. I'm just waiting for it to get into that fair value gap, give a retrace, and then a second push. See how it reacts to it. Because there's not much volatility in the market right now. Nice little pullback we got going on. We just can't accidentally fake ourselves out. That's the only thing. I could put this at this chop, at this level. The risk to reward isn't looking the greatest, boys. It's not looking the best. I have to do something like that. But again, not looking that great. I don't know. I don't really. The setup is okay, but I'm not really feeling it, to be honest. I just wanted to push back down. I mean, of course, I'm not going to be stuck on that, but it's just like we need some more volatility. We could potentially take this. Like, we came here, had a retrace, have a second push with like momentum, then we could do something like this. You know what I mean? Stop loss like there, and if we're like really pushing, and then take profit like that. Because what's happening on the 1 minute? Fuck all. Nice push. If we can get a few more nice pushes, then we could be potentially seeing a trade setup right here. But boys, it's a London session, so we're moving a little bit more slow than normal. That's okay though. We got a minute left on this candle. We've got a minute left. It's been holding at the fair value gap most of the time. Let's see what we can do. More seconds on the candle.
And into the fair value gap. I already got in longs just because I like the push, and I still retrace into the fair value gap, but stops are at break even now, so I don't know. If I get break even, I low key. I don't know actually. I don't know. There's like minimal movement, but.
Oh yeah, I got you, G. I'm just looking at this because we came across, we had a massive retrace into this fair value gap, and when it has another fair value gap, I like to wait for a retrace. It had a nice retrace, and then if we get a second push with momentum here, this will be a setup I will be taking. Yo, the retrace looks pretty good. Like fucking, like if it pushes past that wick of that wick on the 5 minute fair value gap that it just did, like below, and if it pushes past there, then that could be a pretty good entry if it wants to come down. Yo, there's fuck all movement. Yeah, London session's been pretty shit, not gonna lie, but it's all good. See if we can get some movement, boys. So the potential trade setups that I'm actually looking at is, of course, this long, which looks pretty nice, and I just need to make sure this is correct. Well, I need to make sure that's we actually have more now because we got 50,000, 52,000. Oh, it's still the same shit. Still the same shit. But yeah, so potential setup, longs, of course. potential sell is push past here, stop loss at the level, something like that. Take profit at the end of this fair value gap. That would be a pretty good trade. Either one would be pretty good, I reckon.
Holy, I love that little push down, the push back up now. We're back with the candle opened. Bang. That could have been too close to my stop loss for my liking though, but yeah.
Possible ideas, G. Possible ideas. This is what I'm looking at. What do you reckon? What do you reckon, G? What do you reckon?
Yeah, it's Monday though, so. Bro, this is getting so close to my break even. It's actually crazy.
G, I reckon you should take out a break even. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. It's gonna go to the moon, G, trust. I reckon you shouldn't put your whole savings in there, G. It's gonna go to the moon, straight up. Elon Musk actually called me and just told me, bro. That's a true fact, boys. So, the market's not doing much. It opened on that big green candle, then it came down, came up, came down, came up, and then it pushed up here. I didn't enter because there was this fair value gap right here, and I wanted to wait for a bit of a retrace, and as you can see, if I entered, I would have been fucked up. So I waited for a retrace, and then if we get a push past that wick, I'm in for longs. If we get pushed past that wick, I'm in for shorts. And US 30 is a little down syndrome, so he's not fucking doing much, but hopefully we can get a nice little push here. Let's see. Oh yeah. Let's see, boys. Chuck the stop loss above the level. Let's see if we can get a solid push. Let's see if we can get a solid push, boys. Nice. Alright. Let's do it, boys. Let's do it. We're in. Let's see. Stop loss can be above the level. Take profit can be right here. Something like that. Let's see. Nice pushes down. US 30 is coming down as well. We can change this. Something more like. Because this is good. We came into the top fair value gap. Then we just. So basically, the setup, boys. The setup is right. We came here. We filled this fair value gap. Well, we filled this one first. Then we filled this one, and we came here. Now, I guess we're sweeping the buy orders from the people buying from this fair value gap. I guess, and then we're gonna go fill all of this shit in. I guess. Nice pushes down. When it gets to here, stop to break even, boys. When it gets to that red line. Let's see it. Let's see it. A little bit more of a push. A little bit more of a push. The reason why I'm doing stop to break even when it gets there is because it's the start of the fair value gap, right? I want to be targeting something like the midway, right there. Okay, stop to break even, boys. Stop to break even. Let's see. Yeah. It's something like that. I put 2, so my stop loss is here. I put 2 contracts. Let's see if we can get a nice push. We're nearly there. Come on, let's see if we can get a solid push. Chuck this on the 1 minute. What have we got? Entered like there. Come on. Last little push. Last little push, boys. Let's see if we can get it. Last little push. Come on. Nice. Can we get another one of those? That looks really good. Let's go. One more. One more push. One more push, boys. Oh, come on. Come on, give us that push. Give us that push, man. Come on. Where's that momentum?
Yeah, fingers crossed. Don't be shy not to take a trade though if you don't need to.
Ah, boys, this is feeling improbable. We have like no momentum anymore. It's holding very still. I'm gonna put my take profit till the start of the fair value gap where it's already been, just to be safe. Because I would not want this to reverse. Let's see if we can get a push. Let's see if we can just get a quick push. Hopefully it pushes past it anyways. Alright, boys. Oh. Come on. Alright, boys. Loki. I'm finna take out here because it's gone down, came up, gone down, came up. I'm gonna take out here, boys. I'm gonna take out here at a small win. I could have waited for it to push down. It probably will push down. But since we are trying to pass the funded account, boys, this candle, I don't know how many times, but it came down, came up, came down, came up, came down, came up. And I always just needed a little bit more. Yes, I would love to wait for it to push back down here, because we can get like this, like double what I just got. But I just had a feeling, you know, it's probably the best choice. Because I've seen many times where price gets really, really close to my take profit, and my take profit's in the middle of a fair value gap, right? And it comes to it, tests it, comes up, tests it again, and completely reverses. It taps it, retrace, and then completely goes the other direction, right? So I'm playing this off market experience. Of course, we got a very small win today, but hey, it's all good, boys. It's all good. A win is a win. Sweet. So we caught a small win. So basically, price came up here, filled this fair value gap, came down here, it pushed past this retrace over here, and price came all the way down, right? And my take profit is right there, and it came right there, right? So it came all the way down, and I put stop to break even. This candle came all the way up, all the way down, all the way up, all the way down, and then all the way back up. And I took out take profit here, because I've seen many times my take profit is in the middle of a fair value gap, goes down, touches it, comes up, touches it, and it comes all the way back up. So I was like, okay, I'm this close to a win. Okay, it would have smashed it anyways. I'm this close to a win. You know what I mean? I wanna, especially since I'm on my prop firm account, right? I want to be as conservative as I can, right? So it going like this, and then holding there, shows me there's no more momentum, and I want to get the fuck out of this trade, because I'd much rather leave with profit on my prop firm account than a break-even trade when it was that close, you know what I mean? So, yeah. So basically, this is on the 1 minute what it looked like. It came down and it just started going sideways. Very close to my take profit. So I was like, nah, you know what? I'm going to play safe, and I took out right there. Because I was not going to let that shit come all the way back up. Nah.
I don't even know it. I don't know if the strat works too well in a London session. It definitely does, but it's just like the movements are not there as much as it is on New York. This is the point where if we get a push below the 5 minute low, it's just like free as shorts. Or if we get a push below the 5 minute high, there's like going to be a cold tier retrace trade.
So basically, I entered right there. And then price came all the way down. This was my take profit, but I took profit up here because this candle came all the way down, all the way back up, all the way down, all the way back up. And it didn't come down all the way here, but it came down here. And I was like, bro, I'm not going to take a break-even trade when the price is about to fucking take profit. If it's going to... And it was just improbable. Like, check on the 1 minute, G. Look at this shit. it's lost its momentum. So I was like, nah, I took out like here. So a smaller win, but I'm on the prop firm account anyways. I want to have my wins I want to be winning, not losing, right? So it's all good. Starting the week off with a small win. Alright, boys, you seen it here first.